Hi, so for those of you who don't know yet, the Forces of Nature is now available to be read for free on a website called Tapas. And right now I'm going to walk you through how to get to the novel on this website. So all you need to do is go to my Instagram page, which I will link in the video. I hope it will be clickable, I don't know. But I also write this link in my channel's description. Or if you already have a Tapas application, you can just search for the name of the novel, which is Horoscope, The Forces of Nature, on the application itself. So my Instagram account is called Mirna Story World. Oh, here it is. And in the description you will see the link to the Tapas website. It's also a website. You can click here. You can either read it on the application or the website. You can click on the name of the novel with the map, and you will find all the episodes that are uploaded so far. I'm uploading new episodes every day. It doesn't have illustrations inside. You can use those illustrations as a cover for each episode. The genre of this novel is fantasy, mystery, action fantasy. Right here you can read the description of the novel. It's actually the back blurb of the book.